Hello class and welcome to Module 5. Can you believe we are almost finished with this course? With that being said, this week has the biggest workload of the course, so pay extra attention to the assignments due this week under the Assignments tab for Module 5. You can also view a list of this week's assignments at the bottom of this course announcement. This week's assignments include your journal that you should have been working on for the past several weeks. This should be a cumulative assignment that consisting of 4 separate journal entries within one document. There are several specific elements required in the content and format of this assignment, so please be sure to read the instructions thoroughly. And don't forget, we will have our final live session this Wednesday, December 4th at 6:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. Also, keep in mind that the last day of this course is quickly approaching on Friday, December 13th. No late work will be accepted after this date for any reason. I hope you have a great week, and as always, please reach out to me with any questions.